Meaning of irrigation.
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 Irrigation. Irrigation refers to the artificial application of water to soil or crops to help with the growth and maintenance of plants. It is often used in areas where rainfall is scarce or unpredictable, and is a crucial component of agriculture in such regions. The water can be applied through various methods, such as surface or subsurface irrigation, using drip systems, or sprinklers. Effective irrigation can help improve crop yields and reduce the impact of drought on agricultural production.